Okay, so in this video I'm just going to show you, it's kind of a mind-numbing task, but it's part of our job as a fire alarm technician. I'm working on a notifier panel. Notifier panel's the key for it. It has a circle with an N on it. What I'm doing today is I'm replacing the batteries. These are in breezeways. The panel's got rust on it. So what I do, get a little bit of WD-40, put a little piece of cardboard underneath the bottom, put just a little bump of WD-40 inside the lock. My uncle's a locksmith and he says never ever use graphite. And I just run the key in and out and hear how the tumblers are moving a little better now. So I just do it a couple times. So now it opens up real easy. So the inspector failed this because the batteries failed. Sorry about the noise. Okay. So these typically we use the UASAs or PowerSonic. Both those batteries are pretty good batteries. They seem to last longer. Don't use Energizer, pretty much any battery from Batteries Plus or Battery Source. A lot of times you're getting a recycled battery. It's life safety, so use good batteries. Might cost a little bit more, but they're just life safety. So what we do is put them in there, butt them up end to end, and then there's a little jumper wire in there. A little jumper wire with terminals on it goes between the red and the black from battery to battery, and then you hook up your wires come from the panel to red and black. So I'll bring you down in just a second and show you that. Give me a Sharpie here. Sharpie. Today's date. 2-27-19, and I always put my initials. Anytime I do any work, I put my initials on it so that way they know I did it. I'm proud of my work. And you know, that keeps you from doing something that you shouldn't be doing. As you can see, put the date, put my initials, date, and initials. So here's the wires coming from the panel. Red goes to positive, black goes to negative. I don't know if you can see that back there or not, but see there's a jumper wire that goes from red to black. Okay, and there's the part number for the batteries I use. Yeah, so these are 12 volt 7 amp hour. Some panels take more than that. Whatever your battery comes with, or whatever your panel has in it, you need to replace it with what was installed, because they should have done battery calculations whenever they first put the thing in, so that it would run without power for so long. So you really need to go back with the same size battery. But like I said, UASAs, those are good. PowerSonics, they're pretty good. I've used Ultratechs in the past as well. Stay away from Energizer. Energizer is good for flashlights and stuff like that, but for these, they tend to run down quicker than these other ones. I don't know what they're doing different, but maybe I've got some old ones laying there at the house. Maybe I'll bust them apart and do a video of that if y'all want me to. So you can see what's on the inside, like a UWASA versus a PowerSonic versus a Ultrasonic versus a Energizer. And maybe I'll do that so we can see what makes them different. Alright, panel's normal. One of the things I check for too, see how I got my NAC circuits. They're not stacked. Out here we found a couple that are stacked and we haven't put NAC panels in. So look for that while you're doing this. Alright, so we need to put the cover back on it. Please like and subscribe, and if y'all want to know how to do anything. I know this is a little simple task, but maybe some people don't know how to hook up a battery in these things, so definitely don't short the leads together, and don't just put one battery in there. That'd be 12 volts. This thing needs 24 volts. That's what it's sending to the battery, is 27 volts to charge it. Okay, please like and subscribe, guys.